New year, new trends. From vibrant kitchens to peaceful pastels, we're counting down our top 6 tile trend predictions for 2022. We'll get things heated up with our first trend forecast, warm colored tile. This newly designed bathroom signaled to us that warm, rich hues are quickly gaining popularity. It's with good reason. Earthy tile colors like our burnt sugar glaze are welcoming, elegant, and universally appealing. This color is truly versatile, running the gamut from rustic floors to mid-century modern kitchen backsplashes. Next up on our list is the art of mixing old with new, a trend that especially resonates with us. Handmade tiles inherently attribute to the old ways of production, and at Mercury Mosaics, we're constantly looking for ways to add a modern twist to the vintage charm of our handcrafted tile. Even though it's still a work in progress, Patty Cake Wagner's ensuite bathroom renovation captures the heart of this trend. She wanted a tile pattern for the ensuite bathroom in her 1927 Tudor that would honor the home's rustic beauty and add a touch of modern flair. Our signature Victorian pattern was able to achieve this goal perfectly, making the room feel both classic and current. The third trend in our forecast is all about texture. Playing with different textured glazes is an easy way to add depth to any surface. Our friends at Straight Modern show how it's done with this unique tile design that combines glossy black, matte satin, and an iridescent steel gray. The end result is dramatically dynamic. Inspired by this mustard May kitchen, vibrant kitchens also made our trends forecast. It makes sense after the past couple of years, a time when more people were cooking at home, that cheerful and colorful kitchens would be on the rise. But this trend isn't just about colorful hues, it's also about tile shape. In addition to happy hues, we're also predicting more triangle-shaped tiles in kitchens as well. They're a charmingly chic choice for a kitchen backsplash, but work well in just about any space. The next trend is another product of staying at home through the last couple of years, with more and more people looking for ways to bring the beauty of nature into their very own home. We combined our love for greenery and tile to create tile planters, a sweetly subtle chance to add Mother Nature to your tile design. For as much as people are turning to warm, happy colors for the year ahead, we also predict folks will gravitate towards peaceful colors. Pale pinks, baby blues, and soft greens create a sense of calm. Using a light green-blue subway tile as the backsplash gives this kitchen a serene, beachy vibe. It makes us feel like we're on vacation, even if we're not. We're adding in an honorable mention to round out our list, and that's the desire to do the most good in the year ahead. This message was part of a mosaic we had the pleasure of working on for an incredible community space, The Coven, and it's also a phrase that resonates with us deeply. Between a global pandemic and civil unrest, the past couple years have seen our team grow closer in unity. We are committed to our community, to listening, and learning.